I tell you what, that's a lot of juice coming from that rechargeable AA. This is a PowerOwl review. This is the USB charger. Holds 8 AAA or AA. PowerOwl or compatible, which I've tested. Rechargeable, nickel metal hydride, AA or AAA batteries. Really cool when you plug it in. The lights kind of do a little do system check. Really cool. This is $24.99 right now on Amazon with a $3 coupon, bringing you right to around $21 or so plus tax. This is it charging. Now, if you're colorblind like me, you have no idea what those colors are. But when one set of batteries finished charging before the other set, I could clearly tell that the AAAs were green and very bright. The AAs were still going. It didn't take too long. This is not a rapid or a fast charger. Didn't take too long. These things pushed the threshold of power storage on a nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery. They all charged up perfectly. Since recording the footage for this, I've used these batteries several times and run them down. One device is a very bright headlamp, wearable headlamp that I use. I've been really impressed. They're holding strong. I did discover that they can recharge some of my other batteries. I had some Amazon rechargeable batteries. I had a set of Rayovacs. They all charged in there. Again, not a rapid charger, but a very small and convenient charger. Kind of a set it and forget it overnight, not even kind of thing. These charged, they probably came with charge. These charged up in 30 minutes. I don't know what the estimated time is on them, but 2 thumbs up. I love how compact it is. It's quiet, it's efficient. It works. That's the best part about it. I hope to have these batteries for a long time, so like maybe in a year or 2 from now, we'll follow up. By the time 09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about